class we had seen the different types of artificial intelligence, right? What is artificial intelligence definition and types of artificial intelligence we had seen. Okay. Artificial intelligence is the branch of what? Computer science that deals with creating intelligent machines that think, work and behave like human beings. In that we are having three different parts. Okay. After the class I will ask the questions. Okay. To be able to answer, so better concentrate here. Three parts are what? Artificial nano intelligence, artificial general intelligence and artificial super intelligence. Okay. So these are the parts of artificial intelligence. Other than this we are having different branches also. Artificial intelligence is a separate subject of computer science. Okay. In that subject we are having two different branches again. Last bench, my voice is audible now?
Yes sir.
So first branch is machine learning, second branch is
deep learning.
So what is machine learning? Okay, machine learning is the branch of artificial intelligence in that the machines are trained. What they are done? They are trained to learn from the experience, past experience. Okay, suppose I am using the computer. Okay, what the machine is trained to do, what I am using, what I am typing, what I am searching in the browser, that all the keywords what it will do, it will store in its memory. The machine is trained to do that. All the whatever I am typing, searching, everything is stored in its memory, and when next time when I come and open that browser or that website, automatically it will suggest me. It will search from its memory what I had searched earlier. It will bring out those keywords. Oh, this person has searched, used this already in the past. I need to suggest him topics related to this again, and better content it will search and show you. So what is happening? Without I am giving the input, it is learning from what I had done earlier. Okay. So this is machine learning. We will train the computer to work on based on its experience. Okay. That is about machine learning. You will study more about it in the higher classes. Okay. And next part is deep learning. In deep learning, what we will know? In deep learning, the machine is trained to learn from the surroundings. For example, self-driving cars. In self-driving cars, there is lot of requirement of deep learning technology. Okay, suppose car is moving on the road, and from front, and the car is moving this way, this direction. Okay, front direction. From opposite of my direction, some truck is coming at very high speed. Okay, so this self-driving car, what it will do? It will sense before only. Okay, it will sense before only what all objects are coming after this time, how much time it will take to reach us. Okay, so suppose something accident or something is happening, is what it will do? It will try to avoid. Okay, it will take the right turn or it will take the left turn, which is the safer side, and it will make you safe. It will try to avoid the accident based on what? Based on surroundings. Okay, that is one example. Another example is face recognition, biometric fingerprints. Okay, and when you visit airport and all, they will do the security check, right? For that, all this technology is used, deep learning. It is, we are training the machine to learn from the surroundings, from visual, audio and voice. Audio is voice only. Okay, voice assistance devices we are having, right? Alexa, Siri, Google, all those are using deep learning technology. Okay, if you understand these technologies, you will be able to create machines like that. Okay, and those such kind of technology is very trending in present year and coming years also. In future also, this technology will be trending and more jobs will be created in this field only. Okay, other jobs, they all will be replaced by the person who knows artificial intelligence. Only his job is secure who knows about artificial intelligence. Those who don't know about this technology, they will have to struggle again in their life. If you don't want to do that, you have to learn this technology. Okay, you are learning. That is good thing. But if you think, I don't want to learn this, I am not interested in this, then don't think like that. There is no other option. You have to learn. You have to adopt this technology. There is no any other way. Okay. So this is all about machine learning and deep learning. So this was our introduction. Now we will study more on artificial intelligence, which is your actual topic. Okay, first lesson. In that, first one is human-computer interaction. Okay, in the name only there is a meaning. Human-computer interaction shortcut is what? HCI. Okay, in this technology, what will be happening? Humans will be interacting with machines. Interaction means what? Communication. Okay, I want to communicate with the machine. I need some technology, right? Without any technology, it is not possible, correct? So that kind of technology is human-computer interaction. Okay. So in that only we are having different examples. In that first example is touch screen, right? Touch screen. Touch screen. Everyone we use this technology. Our day-to-day life is surrounded by touch screen gadgets. The most popular touch screen gadget is what? Smartphone. You should tell smartphone. Mobile means Nokia is also a mobile. You know how it looks, Nokia, right? It is completely keypad based. Okay. So that is touch screen technology is the product of artificial intelligence only. In that we are using deep learning and machine learning both. Okay. We no need keyboard and mouse in that technology. Just by touching the screen, you are able to use that machine. What is happening? I am interacting with the computer. I am interacting with the smartphone. Smartphone is device or no? Yes. It's like small computer. I am human. You are also humans. You will be using computers. To use the computer, you are using one technology. You are not using keypad. You are using which technology? Touch screen technology. Okay. So that is the example for human-computer interaction. HCI. Clear? Any difficulty? If you are not understanding, not able to catch up my speed, you can ask the question now. I want each and everyone to understand this, and I want each of you to score 100 out of 100. We'll create a record. Here, shall we move on to the next example? Next example is gesture recognition. This is the most latest advanced technology. You know it in touch screen also. Just in the air you do like this. The computer will understand. Okay, suppose there is the computer. This is a computer. Assume this TV as a computer, and this computer is using gesture recognition. Assume. Okay. If I do like this, only I will show the thumb like this, and it will understand that I am telling it, okay, go ahead like that. I am not using my voice. I am not doing anything. I am just showing my hand gestures. It will understand. So what benefit you are getting from this? What is the advantage? What is the main advantage? I am not using any device. I am just showing the signals like how traffic police will be showing. Come like this means the vehicles will go automatically. Like that I am using with it computers. Time will be saved. Work will be done faster. Yes or no? In touch screen also you need to take the device and touch. Then only it will work. Suppose the device is very much far and I want to operate it from here only. I don't want to go there. From here only I want to operate it. Then I will just train the computer. If I do like this, to act like that. I will train the computer to do like that. It will work. Understanding now? This is gesture recognition.
And gesture recognition technology also helps doctors in performing complex surgeries with accuracy. It is also used most popularly in virtual gaming. And we will learn more about this human-computer interaction technology in our upcoming parts of this series. So stay tuned and always be curious.